Minne-Florida living. I'm the SurveyorChef, and today we are going to make a Korean style barbecue sauce. Then we got some garlic here. I'll show you how to, right now it's kind of in bigger pieces like this. I want to kind of make it into a paste, so I'll just take some of this kosher salt, sprinkle it on there, and just take the back side of your knife and just work it like that. The salt is like an abrasive to the garlic, so it really breaks it down. Yeah.